decades, India has been a trusted technology partner in India's manufacturing journey. As India adopted CNC machining nearly 3 decades ago, Taiwan machine tools played a vital role in that transformation. Today, as manufacturing moves towards smart, connected technology, Taiwan is once again bringing its latest innovations to the Indian market. At AMTEX 2026, the Taiwan Pavilion bringing together more than 20 leading companies showcasing advanced manufacturing solutions that enhance productivity, precision, and competitiveness.
Under the strategy of the India government, it named Make in India. India's economic situation must be a record high than before, and in that way, they must have a trusted partner from global. So Taiwan government prepared for this for many years, and we even have a program named Taiwan Smart Machinery Overseas Program that can provide the total solution and the machinery and the equipment, even the cutting tools to support our overseas partner to support the whole India industry get to make the high benefit product.
Taiwan can support high precision machinery and smart manufacturing. We provide reliable components and CNC machinery. It can help India factories have high quality and high efficiency. We also support the AI and IoT technology that can help India factory smooth transfer their production line into the high efficient smart manufacturing.